Experts worry our hospitals are near a breaking point, that soon there's going to be too many COVID patients to treat. Our state's numbers have exploded, and yet no reassurance nor acknowledgement from state leadership today. Instead, Governor Ducey, for a second day in a row, spending time in front of political audiences. And when we wanted to ask him about the pressure our hospitals are facing and the state's plan in all of this, he intentionally avoided our cameras. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg is trying to get answers for you on what actions the state is doing as our hospital cases spike.
The country's top security advisor here in Phoenix and the governor in his presence. The topic today, China, but the governor did not make time to stick around and talk about COVID-19, despite multiple reporters asking his staff if he would make time for us.
Governor, can we talk to you about COVID-19?
It was the moment Governor Ducey snuck out a side door, our cameras rolling, to try and ask him to address new COVID-19 records and hospitalizations rising. His security squealing off. Today was the second day in a row the governor made time for politics, but no time for Arizonans in the COVID-19 pandemic. The governor bragging about Arizona's reputation.
Along with our common sense approach to regulatory environment and our reputation as a hotbed for advanced technology.
But not addressing Arizona's reputation as a hotbed in the country for COVID-19. The governor introducing National Security Advisor Robert O'Brien, who was in town to talk China. Ducey only saying this about the pandemic.
This COVID-19 pandemic has once again underscored the deep ties between national security, our national manufacturing supply chain, and public health and safety. In times of crisis, Americans want to know that we have the resources and the means to overcome any challenge and defeat any foe.
New numbers today show a statewide drop in testing in the past 24 hours, 7,200 less tests than the day before. The governor sending out a press release today saying the state is working to help expand testing and reminded Arizonans since April, diagnostic testing has increased nearly 250%.
The 45th president of the United States.
And just one day ago, the president here. The governor had no problems with a rally in town while COVID-19 numbers are spiking. A shift from last week when the governor expressed concerns over little social distancing in Arizona communities, even threatening businesses not implementing measures.
And if they don't, there will be enforcement.
But those threats of enforcement absent in his call Monday with the vice president. New transcripts posted to Twitter by a governor staffer show what the governor told Mike Pence about businesses needing to social distance, saying, quote, "We are working with our business owners for accountability there. Of course, we think that it is natural in human nature. That is why we want to really focus on communication, education." As for why was the nation's security advisor in town to talk China here in Arizona, that's unclear. We're also learning that Vice President Mike Pence will be in Arizona next week as well. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.